all these things, and we are no one to speak about this because, sir, we have no, because everyone has not certain that much, worth to speak all about this. And if Maithili Sharan sir is speaking and addressing all these things, it will be a wonderful thing that people come to know that a big personality is answering all these questions.
Great, great. I will be too happy to do that.
Okay, sir. So just give me 5 to 10 minutes. I'll call you back and I'll just let you know what best we can do.
Very true, very true, very true. I think
Thank you.
that is a really good idea, and I
Yes,
think
yes.
it's a very good idea. And which language do you feel we should follow? I mean, is it English, or we should be? It would
Sir,
be
it's
better
totally
to be in
upon you.
Hindi
If
so
you
that.
want Hindi,
Huh?
if you want Hindi, if you want English, I prefer that we should go with English, because sir, you are an inspiration for all the police officers as well. Those who are just going for training and all, and those who are all just planning to be a policeman. So I just want to be it to be English.
Okay, so what we can decide, we can have few in English and few in Hindi. So nobody should miss out
Mm-hmm.
those people, those who are not very comfortable with English. They
Yes,
can
yes, yes.
even will get the opportunity to understand with the same clarity in Hindi as well. So
यस सर,
we
मैं बस यही कहना चाह रहा हूँ सर कि जो क्वेश्चनर हम प्रिपेयर करेंगे ना, उसमें 91% क्वेश्चंस हम वही रखेंगे जो आप हमें बताएंगे, क्योंकि जिन चीजों का जवाब आप देना चाहते हैं और जो चीज आप पॉलिटिशियंस के लिए कह रहे थे ना सर, क्योंकि इनकी नॉलेज हमको इतनी है नहीं, ना यूथ को है, तो वो क्वेश्चंस भी आप बताएंगे और उसका आंसर तो आपको वेरी नोइंगली पता ही है.
मैं अभी आपको जैसे ही आप जो है ना उनको यू आर रिकनेक्टिंग मी मीन वाइल आई
यस,
विल
यस,
शेयर
यस.
सर्टेन डॉक्यूमेंट विथ यू
यस,
that will be
यस.
mind blowing and mind opening, and that will explain that we can transform this nation by simply taking a pledge of good India. अच्छे भारत का संकल्प लेने मात्र से ये देश बदल जाएगा. I will share you the document which manifests that it is going to happen. So I
ओके
think
सर, नो प्रॉब्लम.
once again you please repeat your name. I will save it.
दिव्यांश गुप्ता.
Divyansh Gupta.
दिव्यांश
So,
दिव्यांश गुप्ता.
Divyansh, na?
यस, यस, यस.
Divyansh, I will save your number and I am sharing the document. Meanwhile, I expect a return call from you.
Not a problem, sir. Give me just 10 minutes. I'll just call you back right now.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
okay, bye bye.